then we have a trio, trypsin, chymotrypsin, and carboxypeptidase. These three as a group digest protein. But note under C is they are stored by the pancreas in inactive states. They are stored by the pancreas in inactive states. Okay, so, meaning when it's inactive, it's just kind of sitting there, it's not doing anything. So when we need these enzymes to digest protein, they have to be activated. So how does that work under letter D? Well, this is what happens. Trypsinogen is secreted by the pancreas, and it combines with enterokinase, which is secreted by the small intestines. Trypsinogen is secreted from the pancreas. It combines with enterokinase that's secreted from the small intestines. Those two mix up. And still under one, together they activate trypsin. So trypsinogen mixes up with enterokinase. That combination activates trypsin. And then trypsin activates the other two, chymotrypsin and carboxypeptidase. Then trypsin activates chymotrypsin and carboxypeptidase. Sure. Is that number 2?
Yes.
Okay, then trypsin, which is activated, will activate chymotrypsin and carboxypeptidase, or the other two. The trypsin will activate chymotrypsin and carboxypeptidase. Okay, then nucleases, the last enzyme, breaks down nucleic acids, which we know are DNA and RNA. Nucleases breaks down nucleic acids, which are DNA and RNA. All right, again, we want to, next page, regulate our pancreatic juices. And we see that the parasympathetic nervous system stimulates the pancreas while food is in the stomach. The parasympathetic nervous system stimulates the pancreas while food is still in the stomach. And remember what it's doing, it's releasing the enzymes into the small intestines. So again, we're getting a jump ahead. So the parasympathetic nervous system will stimulate the pancreas, but when the pancreas is stimulated, it secretes into the small intestines. So again, we're getting the juices of the pancreas ready before the food arrives. Okay? So once again, the parasympathetic nervous system stimulates the pancreas while food is in the stomach. Okay. And what happens is pancreatic juices secrete into the small intestines before food arrives. Pancreatic juices secrete into the small intestines before food arrives. Okay, so what else regulates pancreatic juices? Well, letter B, secrete. Secretin is another hormone. It's secreted by the small intestines and it targets the pancreas. Secreted by the small intestines, it targets the pancreas. And what secretin does under B, it causes the pancreas to secrete bicarbonate ions. This is under B. It causes the pancreas to secrete bicarbonate ions, which neutralizes the acidic chyme of the stomach. Causes the pancreas to secrete bicarbonate ions, which neutralizes the acidic chyme of the stomach. Okay, then here's CCK again. This is the second time. CCK cholecystokinin. It's always secreted by the small intestines, but this time it's going to target the pancreas. Okay, it causes the release of more pancreatic juices, causes the release of more pancreatic juices when food enters the duodenum. Causes the release of more pancreatic juices when food enters the duodenum. Okay, lots of things can go wrong with the pancreas. I picked something that's unique to digestion, and that's called acute pancreatitis. This occurs when pancreatic juices are blocked from being released. Pancreatic juices are blocked from being released. What can happen because of this is the pancreas can start to digest itself. Pancreas can start to digest itself. They didn't have much treatment for this for a while, and they found out that some people, it's actually the result of a bad infection, and they respond well to antibiotics. Very painful though, you're usually hospitalized for this, but I had a student who had this, and after getting the treatment of antibiotics, she was pretty much cured. Okay, but so that's kind of one of the newer discoveries, okay? All right, now, let me make an announcement, otherwise I'm gonna forget. Until I tell you further, always bring your study guide to lab on Tuesday. If you haven't been, okay, you should be, but in case you haven't been. We're going to be taking notes for a little bit beginning of every lab. So tomorrow when you come in, I'll check in the homework first, and then we'll take notes, and then we'll have time. We're actually going to start the urinary and reproductive models tomorrow, okay? So my point is, until I tell you differently, always bring your study guide to lab, okay, if you haven't been. Okay, let me get attendance. I don't want to start the next part until tomorrow. Misha?